Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you're all well. Today I'm going to tell you about the gladiolus flower. I just received this parcel of the gladiolus flower combs. These are the packets of the combs, and I ordered these combs from the green gardens. These are the bulbs or the combs of the gladiolus flower. They look like onion. And this is the packet of the picture of the Gladys flower, how they look like. The Gladys flower are found in almost all the colors, and you can see the picture of the flowers. And gladius is actually a Latin word which means sword. Its leaves are sword in shape. That's why it's also called the sword lily. Each plant has 7 to 8 leaves. The flower stalk can be 2 to 3 feet in height, and it bears numerous funnel shaped flowers. And they are the low maintenance flowers, and soil should be good. It should be well drained, and it should be with the plenty of the organic matter. The soil should be moist but not soggy during the summer season. You can see they are found in almost all the colors, in blues, whites, reds, pink, all the colors you can see. And how to grow the gladiolus flower combs and how to care will be told in the next video, inshallah. I also ordered this neem oil from the organic gardening. Organic neem oil contains an active ingredient called the azadirachtin, which acts as a natural pesticide for the organic garden. You can see the packet of this neem oil. All the instructions are available here. This is the organic neem oil. Use this spray twice in a month to prevent the plant from the pests, and you should apply it 2 times in a week for the plants that are infected by the pests. Neem oil kills a wide variety of the insects like the aphids, mealybugs, whiteflies, Japanese beetles, thrips, and other garden pests like the spider and the mites. In the next video, inshallah, I'll tell you how to use this oil for the plants. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, like the video and subscribe my channel, and take care of you. Allah Hafiz.